In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Xbox disk cannot read problem. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the disk is clean and free from scratches. Wipe the disk gently from the center outward with a microfiber cloth. Also avoid using circular motions and check for any cracks or damage. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your Xbox, and then it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, simply go ahead and try updating your Xbox drive. You want to simply go ahead and power cycle your Xbox. So turn it off, unplug the power cable from the back, and then open it after 60 seconds. If that is not the case, you might need to go to settings, system storage, and clear local saved games. You can also go ahead and try to use a different disk to see if it is a problem with your disk. And if it doesn't work, simply go ahead and clean your disk drive on your Xbox as well. If none of it works, simply go ahead and reset your Xbox and it should fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.